of shit. But it should be all good. It's got hydraulic brakes. We'll see. That runs at least. Oh, the tensioners are fucked. Well, we'll see what happens. So I just went over the wiring, sussed it all out, made sure it was all plugged in right. Key on. Let's put the choke on just for the start. Choice. Alright, the Drifta cart. Changed a few things already. Removed the governor. Wired up the battery start properly, bled the brakes. The throttle could do with a lube, but it's going alright. I need to adjust the motor again because I'm losing tension for whatever reason. It's a bit sloppy. Other than that, I've extended the handlebars just because, for my riding's sake, and probably mostly others too, can be changed back, as well as the extension. I put a 3-inch extension on the front here, so these sleeves can be removed also and rebolted back to the original point. So that's quite good. Just gives you that extra, little bit extra knee room and a wider wheelbase, where it makes a lot more difference to the steering, the front end. I've put these wet grip tyres on the front. I've got new ones coming for the back because those are rooted. But this is why it's pulling to the left, because of their fantastic weld job here. It's beautiful. It is bloody beautiful, mate. Because of that, and the fact that they didn't quite straighten that arm up properly, that's touching. So that will tell me, that explains why it's pulling to the left. But I like the stance of that a lot better now. Handlebars probably still a little bit long. Come on, boy, come on. Good boy. Come on. Come here! Come on, come on! Woo! Come on, boy! Good boy! Come on! Hooper! Yeah! Hooper!